Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible running flat or expanding flat. If it really is a running flat, then it would likely go up and take out these previous highs, probably all the way up to like the 161, 178% Fibonacci extension. If it is a running flat, then definitely the 100% or the 123 could be the level that it turns at. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 waves up for the 1 of wave 3. This is a WXY wave 2 of wave 3. I still think that this is all part of a wave 3, and I think that we have lots of upside potential to complete this wave 3. 1, 2, 3 of an expanding flat or a running flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely a lot of pullback, a lot of resistance going on right here. Possibly could be an area where we start a bigger pullback. We still don't have any breaker structure down. We still don't really have any significant lower high. So the trend is definitely still up on the daily time frame, and it could always just keep going up. Honestly, it kind of looks to me like it's missing that 3, 4, 5 shape. If it went up and made a double top and hit that Fibonacci extension and then went down, then I would be all about it. As of right now, it kind of seems like it's in like a wave 4 right here, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, then possibly back up for the wave 5. So let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, definitely still in an uptrend. I'm still looking for long entries. It really honestly looks like it made another 3-wave pullback. It is just trying to go down right now. And if it does go down and break this structure right here, then I definitely would start looking for sells. But as of right now, it looks like 3 ways down, impulsive up. I mean, the trend is up on every single higher time frame, so I'm definitely always leaning towards trading with the trend and continuation patterns. And on the daily time frame, it really looks like it's lacking that 3, 4, 5 shape that we see at the end of pretty much every trend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because these levels are definitely going to be areas of resistance even if it does keep on going up. But if it does, make a 1, 2, 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level and a nice big impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then that might tell you that it probably is going to go down and break structure. So keep an eye on it. Definitely not just, randomly just any Fibonacci bounce means that you go short, but if it makes 1, 2, 3 waves up to a Fib level with a nice engulfing move to the downside, then yeah, maybe. But like I was explaining on the higher time phase, it kind of looks like an ABC crescent, and it seems like we're missing that wave 5 on the daily time frame. So I am definitely still leaning towards the idea that this is just going to keep on going up and make that wave 5 on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.